Hello to everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen error in the Modular Sci-Fi Quarry Environment 5.2 Asset Pack. First of all, you need to activate the hdri plugin before opening the project. As you can see, everything is pitch black. This is because there is a hdri plugin in the outliner, but the plugin is not active in the project. To activate the hdri plugin, you need to open the plugins from the settings section on the right. Then you need to activate the hdri plugin by typing hdri in the search section, and immediately after that, you should say restart now. Let's open our map again and check it out. And you will see that the blackness is gone. As you can see, the blackness is gone, and now our hdri plugin is active. You can make adjustments from the outliner section as you wish. You can dim the hdri power, you can increase it, or you can create a brighter environment with sunlight. After arranging the scene settings from the outliner section, you definitely need to save build all levels from the build section and save your project when the process is finished.